The Southern Ocean surrounds Antarctica, a continent with no permanent inhabitants and often freezing temperatures. But despite this, the ocean's bustling with a whole host of marine life. The Southern Ocean is connected to all the other oceans except the Arctic, and therefore processes carried out by marine life here, such as the uptake of carbon or recycling of nutrients, has the potential to impact us on a global scale.
Around the sea ice edges of Antarctica, you get really large phytoplankton blooms, and phytoplankton is plant plankton that floats in the ocean. It's really important for the ecosystem because that's at the base of everything, so you have all the bigger species feeding on that, and so having large phytoplankton blooms is really important for the rest of the ecosystem.
This connectedness between the ecosystem means direct pressures such as fishing for Antarctic krill, as well as the indirect pressures of climate change, which disproportionately affect the smallest organisms, mean that this can have a massive subsequent effect on even the largest mammals.
In Antarctica, the West Antarctic Peninsula is the part that's changing the most rapidly. It's one of the largest places of change in the Southern Hemisphere, and that's quite interesting because you can use the West Antarctic Peninsula to research what might happen in other parts of Antarctica as climate change progresses.
Without rapid action to tackle climate change, then we can expect a global decrease in productivity, reducing species diversity, and perhaps even extinction. This is a particular problem for those communities which are reliant on the marine ecosystem as their food supply. Our role as scientists is to quantify the timing and extent of these probable changes, but we can all take action to increase our awareness of climate change and thereby help to protect the marine ecosystem.